Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the carbohydrate digestion in ruminants. It's an important topic from the exam point of view. So let's get started. We will discuss the whole scheme of the carbohydrate digestion in ruminants with the help of this flowchart. So without any further ado, let's continue. This flowchart consists of several sections. The first section comprises of the diets, which are the food ingested by the animal, and there are several sections like mouth, rumen, abomasum, intestine, which depicts the structures of an animal where the actual cycle of the digestion of carbohydrates occurs. Talking about the first section, that is diet, consists of several carbohydrate rich food, that is starch, cellulose, fructose, hemicellulose and pectin. As you already know that the carbohydrate is a source of energy which is available in the different forms like starch, which is a polymeric carbohydrate consisting of numeric carbohydrate units, cellulose, which is an organic carbohydrate, fructose, which is a polysaccharide and a good source of energy, hemicellulose and pectin. So the animal will feed on these carbohydrate rich diet which will have no digestion in the section of mouth. So the rich carbohydrate diet will remain in its actual form till it reaches the rumen. Now in the rumen, the rich carbohydrate diet like starch, cellulose, fructose, hemicellulose, pectin with the help of hydrolysis will divide into its smaller unit like starch and cellulose will convert into the glucose, the hemicellulose and the pectin will convert into the xylose. Now the glucose, fructose and the xylose will all together form the fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Now the fructose 1,6-biphosphate will convert into the phosphoenol pyruvate in the absence of the oxygen by the process named anaerobic oxidation. Moving ahead, this phosphoenol pyruvate will divide into formate and the pyruvate. These are basically the versatile carbon compounds formed in the animal body during the digestion of carbohydrate. Now talking about the pyruvate, it will again undergo the division and will convert into the acetyl-CoA, lactate and the oxaloacetate. The acetyl-CoA in the presence of the acetyl coenzyme will convert into the acetoacetate, and the acetoacetate will convert into the beta hydroxybutyrate, and this conversion is a non-enzymatic process. Beta hydroxybutyrate will give rises to the butyrate. This was the division of the acetyl-CoA. Now talking about the lactate, it will directly convert into the acrylate and the oxaloacetate will give rises to the succinate. This whole conversion is the part of the Krebs cycle. Moving forward, while there was division of phosphoenol pyruvate into the formate and pyruvate, some amount of acetate will also form, and along with the butyrate and propionate will pass to the blood vessels, and through the blood vessels these all compounds will reach to the different body structures where they are needed. Now the formate will convert into the methane or the CH4. Now the some amount of the CH4 will give rises to the CO2, which will be removed from the body with the help of process named eructation or the belching. Belching or the eructation is the process of removal of excess winds or the gases from the stomach. Till now, the whole division process occurs in the rumen with the help of two processes. First one is hydrolysis and another one is the anaerobic oxidation. Now the some amount of the carbohydrate will convert into the unfermented carbohydrate in the abomasum or the intestine of the animal and will convert into its subunits, that is monosaccharides. But this conversion of unfermented carbohydrate to monosaccharide is not 100% efficient, and some amount of unfermented carbohydrate will be excreted out from the body. इन द नट शेल सबसे पहले क्या हुआ कि हमने किसी भी एनिमल को खाना दिया विच इज़ रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट लाइक स्टार्च, सेलुलोज, फ्रक्टोसन्स, हेमीसेलुलोज एंड पैक्टिन। अब कार्बोहाइड्रेट का डाइजेशन माउथ में तो होगा नहीं, तो क्या हुआ, ये सारा जो फूड था वो र्यूमन में मूव ऑन कर गया। नाउ र्यूमन में स्टार्च और सेलुलोज ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट हो गए, फ्रक्टोसन्स वैसे ही था, साथ ही साथ हेमीसेलुलोज और पैक्टिन जाइलोस में कन्वर्ट हो गए एंड ऑल टुगेदर विल फॉर्म द फ्रक्टोज 1,6 बाइफॉस्फेट। अब क्या होगा कि फ्रक्टोज 1,6 बाइफॉस्फेट फोस्फोइनॉल पायरुवेट को जन्म देगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनारोबिक ऑक्सीडेशन। नाउ कार्बोहाइड्रेट अभी तक इतना स्मॉलर यूनिट्स में नहीं टूटा है कि दैट कैन बी पास्ड इनटू द ब्लड वेसल्स और कैन बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स और द स्ट्रक्चर इन द एनिमल बॉडी। तो अब क्या होगा ना कि जो फोस्फोइनॉल है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा दो फॉर्म्स में। फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर्मेट and another one is the pyruvate. The pyruvate will give rises to the three structures. First one is the acetyl CoA, lactate and oxaloacetate, and with the different processes it will convert into the butyrate and the propionate. अब देखा जाए कि जब फोस्फोइनॉल डिवाइड हो रहा था फॉर्मेट और पायरुवेट में, तो कुछ अमाउंट एसीटेट में भी कन्वर्ट हो गया and now the acetate, butyrate and plus propionate will be transferred to the blood vessel for the assimilation. ये तो बात हो गई पायरुवेट की, लेकिन अब फॉर्मेट की अगर बात करी जाए तो सम अमाउंट ऑफ द फॉर्मेट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द volatile fatty acids and some amount will give rises to the methane. एंड अब मीथेन की वजह से एनिमल के र्यूमन में CO2 का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा एंड दैट विल बी रिमूव्ड आउट फ्रॉम द र्यूमन विद द प्रोसेस नेम इरक्टेशन और द बेल्चिंग। अभी तक हम कहाँ थे, र्यूमन में। नाउ सम अमाउंट ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो कि बच गया दैट विल बी अनफर्मेंटेड एंड पास ऑन टू द एबोमेसम एंड इंटेस्टाइन। नाउ अनफर्मेंटेड कार्बोहाइड्रेट अपनी सब यूनिट्स में ब्रेक डाउन करेगा, दैट इज मोनोसैक्राइड्स, एंड दे आर स्मॉलर इनफ टू पास इनटू द ब्लड वेसल्स फॉर द एसिमिलेशन बाय डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स और द स्ट्रक्चर्स इन द बॉडी। अब देखा जाए तो ये जो कन्वर्जन था मोनोसैक्राइड्स में, ये कन्वर्जन 100% एफिशिएंट नहीं है, तो some amount of the unfermented carbohydrate will remain undigested and will be excreted out. This was the whole scheme of digestion of carbohydrates in the ruminants. I hope you understand it well. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.